Mercedes-Benz. The name itself evokes a sense of prestige, performance, and luxury. For over a century, this German automotive giant has been synonymous with automotive excellence. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a global icon, Mercedes-Benz has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in the automotive world. The brand's iconic three-pointed star emblem is recognized worldwide as a symbol of engineering prowess, cutting-edge technology, and timeless design. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are more than just cars, they are statements of success, ambition, and refined taste. Whether it's a sleek sports car, a luxurious sedan, or a powerful SUV, every Mercedes-Benz exudes an aura of sophistication and exclusivity. This essay will delve into the fascinating world of Mercedes-Benz. We will explore its rich history, key features, notable models, and commitment to sustainability. Join me as we take a closer look at what makes Mercedes-Benz the pinnacle of luxury and innovation. The story of Mercedes-Benz is a testament to German engineering and innovation. It all began in the late 19th century with two pioneers, Karl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler. In 1886, Karl Benz patented the world's first practical automobile, the Benz patent motor wagon. Around the same time, Gottlieb Daimler and his partner, Wilhelm Maybach, were developing their own high-speed internal combustion engine. These two separate entities, Benz and C and Daimler Motoren Gesellschaft, would eventually merge in 1926 to form Daimler-Benz AG, the company we know today as Mercedes-Benz. The name Mercedes has an interesting origin. It was the name of Emil Jelinek's daughter, an Austrian businessman who was an early enthusiast of Daimler's automobiles. Jelinek believed in the racing potential of Daimler's cars and entered them in competitions under the name Mercedes. The success of these cars, coupled with the elegant ring of the name Mercedes, led to its adoption as the brand name for the merged company in 1926. From its early racing victories to its groundbreaking technological advancements, Mercedes-Benz has consistently set the benchmark for the automotive industry.